Howdy guys, long time no see. I hope you've been well. I want to try and upload a video once every week, obviously depending on weather and stuff. So I thought, you know what, I'll go for a quick Christmas Day fishing session. I've got a weedless setup as per, I believe, last time. Oh god, I'm tied up good. What have I done? What have I done? What's this guy doing? No BB. I don't know what that means. Oh crap. There we go. So we got a 00 sinker along with a gulp camo prawn, shrimp, whatever. I'm just trying to get in front of the camera because I don't know where it's pointing, which is a bit annoying and concerning. With a offset worm shank hook, we're gonna try this. Pretty much just walk up and down here, and probably jump the fence and go around that side for a bit as well. But we'll fish near the wharf first, and we'll probably push down towards the left and go for a walk, and we'll see how we go. There we go. There we go. That was like a baby flathead. Oh no, it's just a small bream. Oh, look at that. That's alright. Oh, he's a baby bream. Look at that. And with the weedless rig, oh Jesus, I hate handling little baby bream because they jump around like crazy. Because you can see he's attacked it from behind, and it's just hooked him very nicely. And we get the hook out of him. Wait, come on, just like that. There you are. Oh, little guy, how good's that? You gotta love that. Sweet. Excellent cast right next to that pole. Good thing is that bream probably feeding off the mussels off there, hopefully, and we can taunt them out. Someone just looked at it. Or just got caught on something. There we go. Ah, bream. Another one. Slightly larger size. Oh, you go away, toadfish. It's ever so slightly larger. Oh, come on, mate. Good stuff. Oi, come on. Oh man, I'm so bad. Why am I so bad at handling fish for? Just hold the dog, as they say. Oh, come on. Come on, kind of manhandle him. There you are. Oh, look at that. Gotta love that. Hopefully the camera's seen it. Yeah, there we go. Good enough. Right. See you, mate. No, that gulp's had it. I might swap it to a Z-Man grub. Just to spin with that. It's tougher plastic as well, so it'll last us a lot longer than these gulp will. Be back in a second. Yeah guys, so we got a Z-Man grub on a 1/16 jig head for size 10 hook. Or it's actually a 10H, so it's smaller. But we'll give this a quick rip around and see if we get anything with this. So, ooh. Grab this. Oh, look at that. That's a flathead. Those head shakes are just screaming flathead. Oh, I need to let him run. Oh, it's a bream. It's a good sized bream actually. Turn off a bit. I've got him good. Oh, I might just loosen up the drag a bit because I do want to fight him. There we go. We got to tire him out as well because he can realistically snap my leader. Well, we found him. They're hiding over on that side, near the drain actually, which makes sense. Still, there's a toadfish bloody following him too. Come on. Alright. Alright. We'll try and get him up here as best we can. I just wind him in and just kind of haul him up. Just 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's a big bream. He's a big boy. Camera, I'm pretty bad at. Oh no, he's about 28 from the fork of the tail. Wow. Beautiful Parramatta River bream. That's awesome. That's made my Christmas. I just want to make sure you guys can actually see him. That's beautiful. Let's pop him back in. Not much of a fight, but unfortunately, but I did have my drag set pretty tight. Okay, come on, buddy. We're gonna get you back in here. Hey, come on. Oh, there we go. He's off. Shouldn't have probably put my hand in that water because. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's just from the bream. Thank God. Because, yeah, this isn't probably the cleanest water in. It's probably the most polluted water in all of Sydney. I just bloody pop my hand in it. Oh, there we are. That's a smaller bream, I reckon. Oh, it could even be the same one. That's a flathead. Oh, I love a mixed bag. I've got him good. He's a good sized flatty too, actually. I'm terrible at handling flathead, guys. So if I lose this one, it's on me, 100%. Oh, I think I've just got him hooked, but we'll see if we can get him up and out. He's definitely legal. He's a good legal. All right, let's get a quick measurement on him. He's probably about 38, I'd say, I reckon, to the fork of the tail. Yeah, it's about 38 roughly, we'll say. Awesome. Bream, flathead. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's what I love to see. They're my two favourite fish to catch because they're probably the only fish I'll ever catch. All right. Get out of here, buddy. Beautiful. So we found him. He's still there. Oh, he's gone. There he goes. Pretty much just off here. We just jump up to here and just flick straight off into here. Just that's it, right there. And we just wind it back in. I've only caught one bream here. That was a while back. 32%. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought it was. What I might do in that case, guys, just to save charges, I might just switch off for a while and that's a stingray over there. Look at that. There's a stingray right there. He's just gone under now. So I saw some movement on that, so I was a little confused. There's a stingray over there. Oh, he's gone. I wonder if I caught that on camera. Oh, he's still there. Oh no, it's a snag. Yeah, got myself a snag. Oh no, it's a fish. It's a flatty. I reckon because it didn't fight when until it came on the surface. All those head shakes. Oh, let's let him run. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Perfect drag set. Oh, he's a good sized flatty. Oh, he's all right. Let's see him from here. How are we gonna land him, but probably try and drag him. First of all, we'll tire him out because he's pretty. He looks pretty big. There we go. That's what I want. Bit of a fight. That's it. Ah, love that. That's what every man likes to hear, that real scream. Men like noise. That's why men like loud car. Alright, we gotta tire him out. He's gonna go for another run, or what's going on? Alright, so I reckon best bet's gonna be just land him up here, I reckon. Oh, he's a beautiful specimen as well, Flatty. Alright, yeah, he's tired. I reckon, you know, I reckon we'll just hop him up over this. So 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, come on, come on. There we go. Oh, he's a good looking Flatty. He's very dark actually, this one. If it's not, I'm gonna feel very stupid. Good 40 centimeter. Sweet. Let's release him back into the water. Alright, go on, little guy. That's awesome. Yeah, there we go. I'm on something. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a flathead for sure. Yeah, it's a flatty for sure. Oh, it's only a small one, but... Oh, no, he's probably just legal. Don't know if that's the same one I caught beforehand. Wouldn't surprise me, but because obviously it's a completely new bait. Shit, you can't even see him. It's that, like, he's that camoed. He hasn't found him, but... Alright, sweet. We're going to try and land him. She's going for another one. Yeah, there we go. I hope I'm recording. I want to check just before I land him because I'm hoping I am. Yep, I am. Sweet. Oh, shit. That was close. Could have been a very expensive flathead. Alright, let's get him up. Get him up. Get him up. There we go. Yeah, he's probably just legal, I'd say. He is 35. Yep, so just on illegal. Beautiful. Let's get him back in. Go on, buddy. Get out of here. Scram. Hey guys, just want to say a massive thank you for watching my video. Here's a few more photos of some flathead I caught after my GoPro died. This one measured about 38 centimeters. This one was literally the size of my hand. Finished off with a nice bream, and probably the best thing that happened was the next day I went for a night session and I landed a 60 centimeter flathead. I was stoked.